Have you ever wondered what really happens when you switch on a light bulb? That tiny glow in your room is not magic, it's science. In this video, I'll explain how an electric bulb works, step by step, in the simplest way possible. What is an electric bulb? An electric bulb is a device that converts electrical energy into light energy. When electricity flows through the bulb, it produces light that helps us see in the dark. The most common traditional bulb is called an incandescent bulb. A typical electric bulb has four main parts. Number 1, glass bulb. This covers and protects the inside parts. Number 2, filament, a very thin wire made of tungsten. Number 3, support wires, hold the filament in place. Number 4, metal base, connects the bulb to the power source. Inside the bulb, there is either vacuum or inert gas, which prevents the filament from burning quickly. What happens when you switch on the bulb? When you turn on the switch, electric current flows from the power source into the bulb. The current enters through the metal base and flows into the filament. The filament has high electrical resistance. Because of this resistance, when current passes through it, the filament heats up very fast. It becomes extremely hot, about 2,500 degrees Celsius. Due to the heat, it glows and produces light. This process is called incandescence. Why doesn't the filament burn immediately? The filament is protected by vacuum or inert gas inside the bulb, tungsten material, which can withstand very high temperatures. Without this protection, the filament would burn instantly. Energy conversion in a bulb. An electric bulb converts energy in this order: from electrical energy to heat energy, and also to light energy. That's why traditional bulbs feel hot. They waste a lot of energy as heat. Why incandescent bulbs are being replaced? Incandescent bulbs are less energy efficient, produce more heat than light, consume more electricity. This is why modern bulbs like LEDs and CFLs are now commonly used. So in summary, an electric bulb works by allowing electric current to flow through a thin filament, heating it until it glows and produces light. Simple science, powerful result. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple electronics tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.